My name's Vincent, and I'm from Doncaster in Melbourne. What got me into cars? My dad was into his hot rods back in the day, back in the 60s. Had a 1932 Ford, and he was building hot rods as I was growing up with my brother. And yeah, he let me purchase the little LJ Torana. And yeah, he showed me the ropes, and yeah, we kind of built it together. Why this car? Well, I originally wanted an XR Falcon, but I went for a drive-in one and I took it for a wrap myself, and I didn't like the steering box steering. He's got a rack and pinion, took it for a wrap and it won me over. So, and now power to weight too. I guess I haven't got much power at the moment and it's working for me, yeah. I guess it's been an ongoing thing. So I've had it since I was 14. I built it up as a stocker, just I guess slammed with no springs in it on my P plates. And then as I went through my apprenticeship, obviously had a bit more money, then I did a Turbo 6 in it, got a mini tub, and that was in Street Machine magazine. And now I've pulled that setup out, and it's got an LS1 in it with a power glide. Motor, it's really just a LS1 with a cam, a little bit of headwork, extractors, a tune. Nothing special. I bought a smashed SS Ute, had the motor with the cam in it already, and yeah, sold the parts and pretty much got the motor for free. And yeah, whacked it in with the helping hand of a lot of mates of mine, and it's got a power glide with it's meant to be a 3.5 grand store, but only a 2 because they made a mistake. And yeah, it's just a fun cruiser. The colour's a custom mix. Beforehand, it used to be Holden Rodeo Blue, but after I redid the body myself, and I got the boys at Grand Swap Paint and Custom to paint it for me. Good boys, they always look after me. And yeah, they added a bit of white to the mix, and yeah, she's what she is today.